Welcome to the Ultimate AI Doc. If you want AI to do the heavy lifting, you need to learn how to ask. Today, we're decoding a framework that will change the way you write prompts forever. This framework actually won the GPT-4 prompt engineering competition run by GovTech, Singapore's government tech agency. So this isn't just theory, it's battle tested. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you need to hire someone. You might log into an AI tool and type something basic like this. Create a job description for a product manager at a SaaS startup. Include key responsibilities, required skills, and employee benefits. So how do we turn an average prompt like create a job description for a product manager at a SaaS startup into something that sounds like an experienced recruiter wrote it? But the output will probably sound generic. Simple. Stop giving AI one-line demands. Give it a proper brief instead. Think of AI like a new employee onboarding on day one. If you just tell a new hire, go write a job description, they are forced to guess your brand voice, target candidate, and goals, resulting in an uninspired draft. But if you walk them through the company context, the ideal hire, and the layout you want, their very first output hits the mark. That's exactly where the COSTAR framework comes in. It's a simple six-step framework that helps AI understand exactly what you want, and we will learn to write a prompt using COSTAR framework. The first step is context. Think of context as setting the scene before AI starts working. Instead of jumping straight to the task, tell AI who you are, what your company does, and why you're asking for this in the first place. Now let's write the context for our prompt. Our company is an AI-powered HR SaaS startup build AI-powered HR software that helps businesses streamline hiring and employee management. As our startup grows, we're hiring our first product manager to shape the future of our HR-related products. Second step is objective. What it is. Don't just tell AI what to write. Tell it what success looks like. So let's write it down. Create a product manager job description that gives candidates a clear understanding of what they'll do, what skills they're expected to have, what benefits they'll receive, and what makes this opportunity worth applying for. Now AI understands the outcome you're aiming for, not just the task. Step 3 is style. What it is. Style is all about how the content should be written. Should it sound like a traditional corporate company or a modern startup? Giving AI a writing style makes the output feel much more intentional. Our example, write in the style of a modern SaaS startup careers page. Clean, concise, engaging, and easy to read. Avoid unnecessary corporate jargon. That one instruction can completely change how the final output feels. Step 4 is tone. What it is. Think of tone as the personality behind the words. The information might stay the same, but the feeling changes completely. Our example, keep the tone confident, welcoming, and inspiring. Sound like a company that's ambitious but approachable, not overly formal or robotic. Now the job description feels like it's written by people, not software. Step 5 is audience what it is. Next, tell AI who it's writing for, because a message written for fresh graduates will look very different from one written for experienced professionals. The more specific your audience, the more relevant the writing becomes. Our example, the audience is product managers with 4 to 7 years of SaaS experience who enjoy solving customer problems, working closely with engineering teams, and building products in fast-growing startups. Now every sentence speaks directly to your ideal candidate. Step 6 is response. What it is. Finally, tell AI exactly how you want the answer delivered. A little guidance here saves a lot of editing later. Our example, format the job description with clear headings for about the company, role overview, responsibilities, skills, benefits, and how to apply. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and keep it around 250 words. Now the output is not only well written, it's ready to publish. The final transformation. See the difference? We gave AI the same information a hiring manager would share with a recruiter before posting a job. That's the real shift. Instead of hoping AI reads your mind, you're giving it a clear brief. And when you combine context, objective, style, tone, audience, and response format, you're no longer getting generic answers. You're getting outputs that are structured, relevant, and surprisingly close to something you'd actually use. That's the power of the COSTAR framework. If you found this helpful, you're going to love what's coming next. Subscribe now, because we're just getting started with prompt engineering and AI. See you in the next video.